Enhance our vocabulary. 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 Not vocabulary. Vocabulary. Let's have it. Acclimatize. What does it mean? Any answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अनुकूल रहना.
Exactly. Say acclimatize. To adjust. With the environment. With the situation. Acclimatize. When we pronounce acclimatize, we get a common word that is climate. The climate of Bangalore is awesome. Anyone can acclimatize there. When I will join Indian Armed Forces, I must be able to acclimatize there. Acclimatize is a verb. Its noun is acclimatization. Next word. Amaze. What does it mean? To surprise. Amazing. What an amazing performance. To surprise someone. Honda Amaze car. Whenever I find Honda Amaze car, I just find it amazing. I like its look. I like its features. It's so amazing. Next word. Amuse. It's a verb. Its noun is, you tell. Amusement. Amuse. Amusement. What is its meaning? To entertain. Exactly. Say amuse. To entertain. Amuse. Muse. Music. Music entertains us. Amuse. Amusing. It's so amusing. I like this music. It's so amusing. Surreptitious. Surreptitious. What does it mean? Adjective. This is an adjective. Surreptitious. Secret. Hidden. Something which is a secret. I take it out with the sound of sir, and I put it again with the sound of fur. Surreptitious. सर से निकाला, फुर से छुपा दिया. It was a surreptitious object. Next word. Voluptuous. 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 Adjective. What does it mean? Attractive. Voluptuous. Attractive. I guess its keyword is very simple.
Yes, sir.
Easily you can guess it.
Yes, sir.
Say voluptuous. Volapalap. So attractive. Amazing. Next word. Sojourn. It's a noun. What does it mean? I'll give a sentence, you guess. When we go on a long journey, if we are tired, we take some sojourn on the way so that we can get relaxed. Exactly. Say a temporary stay. Sojourn. Temporary stay. At a dhaba. Having a cup of tea. Relaxes us. Sojourn. Journ. When we are on a long journey, we take sojourn to relax ourselves. Next word. Animosity. What does it mean? Listen to my sentence. If you have animosity, don't express it to others. Try to come up with the solution, because showing animosity shows your anger and your bitter feelings. Exactly. Animosity का मतलब है अंदर से बहुत ही ज्यादा नाराज होना. It's bitter and angry feeling. बोलो, bitter and angry feeling. दुश्मन को देखकर, seeing my enemy, I have animosity. छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Next word. All words are connected?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Should I ask?
Yes, sir.
Surreptitious. Secret. Secret. Hidden. Very good. Let's have some more words. Adroit.
Skillful.
Yes, adroit is an adjective and its meaning is skillful. Say adroit. Android. Those who use Android phones are so adroit. Next word. Tenacious. Adjective. Alka is so tenacious. Once she decides something, she keeps on insisting until she gets that. Tenacious. Tina is a dash girl. Stubborn. Say stubborn. Obstinate. Tina is a ziddi girl. Once she decides something, she keeps insisting until she gets that.
क्या आप भी अपने फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से अपने डिफेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी सही रिसोर्सेज के साथ में नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? तो अब चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सेंचुरी डिफेंस एकेडमी ने लॉन्च किया है SRNTH 2022 स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट 15 मई को, जहां देश भर के स्टूडेंट्स अपने नॉलेज के दम पर इस टेस्ट को क्लियर करके पा सकते हैं अप टू 90% स्कॉलरशिप फॉर आवर ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज, और पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं इंडिया के बेस्ट रिसोर्सेज एवं मेंटोर्स के साथ में. तो देर किस बात की, आज ही अप्लाई करें SRNTH एग्जामिनेशन के लिए. अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें. फुल वीडियो का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा.